Here we are, my friends. These are the results for the zeroing of the Black Ops 22 caliber air rifle. It's a break barrel, and I installed on the rifle the Tacticon AR15 iron sights on it, and these are the results. These are 10 shots fired at 25 yards, and the target is a 2-inch circle. Okay, so these are the accuracy results for a 25-yard zero using Tacticon AR15 iron sights installed on the Black Ops. It's fairly easy to install these AR-15 iron sights on the Black Ops. All you need is to purchase a scope rail adapter and install it on the muzzle brake of the Black Ops, and then you install the iron sight on that rail, and it's really easy to do, and it works. Okay, here are the results for a 25-yard zero using the Tacticon AR-15 iron sights on a break barrel Black Ops 22 caliber. Take care.